Hi, boys and girls. Happy Monday. I'm super excited for our lesson today. We have a guest reader that is reading out loud the Lorax to you guys. I think he's pretty handsome. So you have to let me know what you think. All right, we're going to go over our S blends, right? S blends have the S as the first letter. Sk, sk. Remember, those can both say the same sound. Sl, sm, sn, sp, st, and sw. Good job. All right, my favorite. I'm going to give you a nonsense word, and I need you to give me a rhyming word that could fit in that category. Category here are colors. Okay, roses aren't scared, but they're red. Good. Madeline's favorite color is not swink, but it is pink. Good. The sun is not spellow. It is yellow. Yes. A bear is not smown. What color is it? Brown. Great. Grapes are not spurple, but they sure are purple. Yes. You don't eat a s'morange, but I'm sure you would eat an orange. Good. The sky is not slue, but the sky is blue. Yes. Good. All right, here, we don't have a color that's called scac, but we do have a color called black. Yes. Good. Polar bears are not swite, but they are white. And the grass is not sneen, but it is green. Great job, boys and girls. All right, I'm going to say a word. I want you to repeat it. I want you to tell me the blend that you hear at the beginning. So here we go. And I'll leave these S blends up here to help you if you need it. Sleep. Beginning blend. Sl. Excellent. Skate. Beginning blend. Sk. And actually in this case it's with a K. Good. Spine. Beginning blend. Sp. Great. Ski. Beginning blend. Sk. Excellent. Smoke. Beginning blend. Sm. Good job. Snake. Ooh. Beginning blend. Sn. Yes. Sweet. Beginning blend. Sw. Slope. Beginning blend. Sl. Yes. Great job. All right, now we're going to say it fast. Let me move this so you guys can see me a little bit more. All right, here we go. My first word. S-n-e-k. Sneak. S-o-i-m. Slime. Ew. St-a-n. Stain. St-or. Store. Sp-a-d. Spade. Swipe. Swipe. St-ate. State. Snow. Snow. And last one, spy. Spy. Like I spy with my two little eyes some very smart students. All right, moving on. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to find the blend, okay? So I'm going to say the word, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to repeat the word and say the blend that is at the beginning, the middle, or it could be the end of the word. So listen for those S blends. And S blends are a little bit tricky because just as I was saying, they can be in the beginning of the word, the middle of the word, or at the end of the word, okay? So listen for those blends, okay? Skill. Did you guys hear a blend in there? Yeah. Sk. That was at the beginning, right? Sk. It. Oh. Good. All right. The next word I'm going to say is toast. T-o-st. So that final blend, right? That's t at the end. Task. T-ask. Good. So that final blend was that sk. Excellent. Okay. The next word, sticker. Sticker. Where do you hear that S blend? Yeah, at the beginning in st. Sticker. Next word, sister. Ooh, that's a tough one. Sister. So listen for that S blend. Sister. So that st is actually in the middle of the word, right? Good. Past. Asked. Final blend in that one, right? That st blend at the end. Next one, toaster. Toaster. So, toaster. Did you guys hear that S blend? Yeah, I heard that st in the middle of the word. Excellent. All right, now what I want you guys to do is I want you to break it down. Word. So you can use your fingers, you can use your arms, your imaginary rubber band, and I'm going to give you a little clue before we get started as to how many sounds are in this word, okay? So the first word is going to be staple. It actually has 5 sounds, okay? I'm going to put my first 2 fingers together because it's got a blend in the beginning. St, a, p, o. And then if we break apart that st, we've got st, a, p, o. Staple. Nice job. These are definitely getting tougher. All right, my next word has 4 sounds, and the word is space. Space. So I'm going to put my first 2 together. Sp, a, s, space. And if I could break apart that sp, it's sp, a, s, space. Nicely done. Okay, my word is slope. Slope. Okay, 4 sounds in that word. Beginning blend. Sl, o, p, slope. Break apart that sl, s, o, p, slope. Good job, boys and girls. Next word, sweet. Like my little sweet students, I miss you guys so much. All right, 4 sounds on that word. Sweet, beginning blend. Sw, e, t, sweet. Break apart that sw, and we've got sw, e, t, sweet. Beautiful. All right, and last one, snake. Ah, snake. 4 sounds. Sn, ache. Good. Break apart that sn, ache. Snake. Nicely done, boys and girls. All right, now what we're going to do is I'm going to say a word, and we're going to change out that beginning blend for another S blend, okay? Like I said, I'll leave these up here so you can see them. All right, my word is sleep. Sleep, right? Sul, eep. Change that sul to a st. Steep. Good. My word is state. St, eight. Change that st to a sk. Skate. Nice. My word is smoke. Sm, oak. Change that sm to a sp. Spoke. Spokes are the little lines coming outside of your bicycle wheel. Spokes. All right. Steak. That's making me hungry. Ache. Change that st to a sn. Snake. Yuck. All right. The next one we're going to do is I am going to give you a word. We're going to add that s sound to the beginning to go ahead and make an S blend at the beginning of our word. Okay? My word is team. Add s to the beginning. Steam. Yes. My word is Kate. Add s to the beginning. Skate. Good. My word is take. Add s to the beginning. Steak. Good. My word is leap. Add s to the beginning. Sleep. My word is no. Add s to the beginning. Snow. Nicely done, boys and girls. All right, now we're going to take that first s sound and we're going to throw it out the window. All right, my word is slime. Slime. Take away that s. What's left? Lime. Yes. My word is space. Space. Take away that s. What's left? Pace. My word is slate. Slate. Take away that s. What's left? Late. Yes. My word is spoke. Spoke. Take away that s. What's left? Poke. My word is store. Store. Take away that s. What's left? Tore. Yes, you guys are doing awesome. All right, I'm going to leave these S blends up. I'm going to change the angle there just a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and practice stretching and spelling some words with our S blends. So go ahead and get your whiteboards and your markers. And here we go. All right. Okay. The first word I'm going to spell is something I wish I could do, but they closed my community pool. And that word is swim. Swim. So let's break apart that word, right? Sw-im. And then if we break apart that sw, we've got two sounds in there. S-w. So let's go ahead and do it. S-w-im. Good. That beginning blend, sw, we broke it apart into s-w, I, swim, swim. Nicely done, boys and girls. Okay? All right, let's try another one. All right, let's do, snack. Snack. You guys are, I don't know about you guys, but my kiddos all the time, can I have a snack? So let's go ahead and stretch it out, okay? Snack, right? Snack. All right, so I've got that blend in the beginning. S-n-a-k. Remember, I'm going to go ahead and break apart that s-n into its two sounds. S-n-a. Good. And we've got two letters at the end that are going to work together to make one sound. Good job. A C and a K. Snack. Snack. So I don't know about you guys, but I think I might take a snack break. Sounds like a great idea. All right. Love you. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson on the Lorax, and I will see you guys tomorrow.